Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks Part 2. The same gentleman that sent me this asked how to do this over here. Well, once you've got this built, this is kind of easy, and this will, show a little bit your artistic ability. So what we've done, this thing is, our graphic is 20 inches big, so I've set my nudge factor on 10. And I'm actually going to grab that one, hold down the shift key, and just grab some uh, sporadically. Maybe you can get that little triangle and then just move them down until you see them. And then there are some doubles. So like click there, shift select. Sometimes that doesn't work. Shift select that one, shift select that one. And see, since the ones are missing, and see how my box is getting bigger, and just nudge them down, and maybe twice. And then maybe later on, change your nudge factor to 5 and, grab some of these and nudge them up. And, this is really and truly where your artistic ability will kind of fall into play. He's got the example has a lot more, but I'm not going to take your time to, and you can do them one at a time. Don't get me wrong. That might be the best way to do it, because see, that didn't even get below. So, and see, there's two together, and then there's some that are, way down there. And I mean, truly, this is where your artistic ability is going to come into play, what you think looks good. The ones at the bottom are gone a lot. So think about that, and shift select a bunch of them. Maybe don't do, all the top ones, but do that and then nudge it down, and whatever you think looks the best. I kind of, it's pretty neat deal, like the bricks are falling out. Anyway, I hope that answered his question and gave you an idea, and thank you for watching.